Tara, swimming.
Ako nga pala si Kay, your favorite food and travel enthusiast. We're going to Bali, Vietnam, and Singapore nang walang passport. Tara, let's!
Welcome to Puerto Serene.
Yes, this is Puerto Serene sa Barangay Ibabang Ilasan sa dulo ng Cadena de Amor Street. This is the newest place to be ngayong holidays. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara na!
Welcome to Puerto Serene. Welcome to Bali. Tara, gala tayo. Welcome to Puerto Serene.
Upon entering the resort, iba na yung vibe niya. It's so giving Bali. Kala mo wala ka sa Pilipinas. Sobrang spacious and this is their receiving area at sobrang Instagrammable and aesthetic. You can take as many pictures as you want. Mayroon silang 4 na pools, 2 for adults na medyo malalim and 2 kiddie pool na perfect sa lahat ng family gatherings and reunion ngayong holiday. And look at the color, it's so inviting. Medyo malamig nga lang sa Ilasan, pero kung water lover ka, go na. Bukod doon, meron din silang lagusan papuntang Encantadia. No, sa kanilang spa and Kawa Bath. May massage din dyan. And tub! Balik kami next week to experience the massage, the Kawa Bath, and then the tub. Wait, there's more. Ngayon, nandito naman tayo sa lagusan, papunta ng Singapore and Vietnam. Tada! Meron silang replica ng lights dun sa Marina Bay Sand and meron din silang Mickey Mouse for HK and also yung kamay sa Sapa Vietnam 3-in-1. If babalik ako, pipiliin ko yung paggabi na para kita yung lights and yung ganda ng area. Meron din pala silang Merlion dito, hindi pa lang din bukas. So, pwede mo rin i-replicate yung nakanganga and then kala mo, sinasahod mo yung water from the Merlion. Ang taas, feeling mo na sa Sapa Vietnam ka talaga. Dahil nga resort sila, these are some of their accommodation and papasilipin namin kayo. Ang ganda, 'di ba? Their A-house is so spacious, it can accommodate 6 up to 8 packs. Ito yung view sa taas. Sobrang ganda. Well, aside sa swimming pool and aesthetic na ambience, dito ko na in love sa accommodation nila, which is the Salakot. This is good for 2 and can be expanded to 4 packs. Hindi pa masyadong ayos, but look, diba? Imagine waking up to that view, overlooking the swimming pool. This is life. The Grand Function Hall can accommodate 250 packs. Meron din silang mas maliit na area.
Pwede din tayo sa coffee shop nila.
Aside sa coffee shop, meron din silang restaurant sa ilalim ng coffee shop.
Where every cup tells a story. Kape na!
So, alam nyo na ang newest hangout in town. I hope nag-enjoy kayo and will definitely be back to try out their menu. Cause every story tastes better when shared. That will be all. Ta-ta!